Hi everyone, Raymond Chen with Cole Banker Global Luxury. Welcome to what we call the Art-Deco home. Bright, versatile, dynamic, and over 5,000 square feet. This is 5 Oriole Drive. Here we are, the main living and dining areas, encompassing almost 3,000 square feet. And not to overlook, the 10-foot ceilings are on this floor. And take a look at this space, excellent area for entertaining. Here we are, the kitchen area. As you can see by these big glass doors, they're actually at all the entry and exit points of the kitchen. It keeps any heavy cooking contained. It's a very smart idea. We've also got a bar sink tucked in the corner there with a wine fridge, and also this beautiful large piece of granite countertop as a center focal piece of this kitchen. And then as we walk through this room, this can become your own sitting sunroom, it can become a computer room, and it can be just a sitting area. I'd like to thank you again for taking the time to join us on this property tour of 5 Oriole Drive, Ottawa, Ontario.